Today we're taking you on a tour of one of D.R Horton's most popular floor plans. This is the Delray model. The Delray model is in many of the D.R Horton communities all around. If you have any questions about any D.R Horton communities, you can give us a call. So here we are in the Delray floor plan built by D.R Horton. This floor plan that we're currently standing in is on site at the Shores at Brightwater. It's shown as a 3-bedroom, or it can be a 3-bedroom plus a flex room. So when we come in and turn right, we've got 2 bedrooms here. This one, of course, is being used as an office, bath, another guest bedroom. This floor plan offers a 2-car garage. It's 2,034 square feet. The door straight ahead there is the garage. As I mentioned, it's a 2-car. So 3 bedrooms plus a flex. We're looking at the flex now, passing by the laundry room. Before we go out into the main area, before we walk by, I just want to show you, this is the Freedom series. The Freedom series really just takes away some of the guesswork and the options, and they give you a few different styles to choose from in the build. Moving on to this great room here. If you've watched our Naples Reserve video, you will find the Delray in Naples Reserve. This community though, this Cabana Cove that we're looking at right here, this will be part of the Brightwater amenities, and Sand Dollar Island is going to be the main theme. So this is an incredible concept. Really, nobody does communities like we do here in Southwest Florida. This community is going to be a huge lagoon with a big blow-up play area here. You can see that with the island, water slide, bar and grill, cabanas, floating cabanas. I mean, it's really incredible what they're doing here. So lots to do for everyone. We are going to go ahead and drive through so that you can see what the other side looks like. We're in the Shores. This is a 55+ section. You can see some of the new homeowners on the other side there, measuring probably for a pool. Okay, now in the primary suite, his and hers closets on either side of the hallway here. So again, this is one of the floor plans that D.R Horton offers here. They've got lots of great incentives happening. They also have twin villas here. So if you're looking in a price point closer to the $400,000 range, this is a great area to look at. Might be worth checking out the twin villas then.